seed time. See, the seed time, before Noah could see a tree, he had to experience seed time. And seed time, ladies and gentlemen, is the first season that we must go through. We must go through seed time. And seed time is a season of sowing. It's a season of sowing. You have not because you sow not. And you gotta sow something in order to get something. You remember the old song said, in order to get something, you gotta give something. So God said, listen, in order for you to get a tree, Noah, you first gotta sow some seeds. I grew up on the farm, and one thing about farming is that the farmer first have to go through seed time. Yes. And when the farmer goes through seed time, watch this, he goes out and he plows the ground. And after he plows the ground, he spends all day giving. All day giving and all day sowing, giving and sowing, giving and sowing. And in this season, watch this, the farmer leaves empty-handed. In this season,